Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best reversible practice basketball jersey on the market right now, the Liberty Pro Men's Lightweight Reversible Rectangle. Whether you're a weekend baller or coaching a youth league team, this is the kind of jersey that checks every box for affordability, function, and comfort. Let's start with the design. This reversible tank top isn't just about looks, it's about utility. You're getting two jerseys in one. Just flip it inside out and you've got an instant team color switch. That's game-changing when you're in the middle of scrimmages, pickup games, or drills where quick team differentiation is crucial. Well, mesh fabric allows for maximum airflow, which means you stay cooler longer. If you've played basketball in the summer heat or in a gym with no AC, you know how critical that is. Add to that the quick dry performance fabric, and you've got a jersey that not only keeps you cool but also dries rapidly after those sweaty plays or a quick wash before the next game. It's made for movement. The cut is loose enough to give your arms full range of motion but fitted enough to avoid excessive flapping or snagging during play. You're not dealing with anything heavy or constricting. This is pure freedom of movement, ideal for players of all levels. Now let's talk durability. This jersey isn't going to fall apart after a couple of games. The stitching is solid, the armholes are reinforced, and even the reversible construction holds up well after repeated flips and washes. So if you're running weekly games or managing a youth league with multiple teams and practices, these tanks are built to handle the wear and tear. Thankfully, these jerseys are soft and don't itch like some cheaper mesh options out there. Even after long games or extended practice sessions, the comfort level stays high. Washing them is also a breeze. Toss it in the wash, flip it out to dry, and you're good to go for the next session. No shrinking, no fading, no special treatment needed. This is a low-maintenance, high-performance piece of gear. Let's not forget about value. For the price, getting a reversible, quick-dry, breathable jersey with solid construction and size flexibility is a steal. Whether you're buying one for yourself or outfitting an entire team, this is one of those rare cases where price meets quality and delivers. So if you're in the market for a reliable, reversible jersey that doesn't just look good but actually performs where it counts, on the court, this Liberty Pro Tank should be at the top of your list. That's it for this review from Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want us to compare it with other jerseys or explore more basketball essentials. Until next time, stay sharp and play hard.